Welcome to Material Ecologies, Local Practices and Global Impacts. In this interdisciplinary course, students explore the contentious issues surrounding materials, from global production to consumption and beyond. In this Common Core course, we work closely with students of all backgrounds to understand the fundamental history and circumstances surrounding material development, processing, and distribution today through lectures and field trips. Together, we develop students' curiosities to question and interrogate the material systems that influence the physical world around them. Our explorations will lead us to individual prototyping and experimentation, where students ideate their own alternative materials to address design issues of their interest, material methods, advanced technology, material sustainability, and more. Material Ecologies. Let's learn how the world is made and how we can further shape its future.